Welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. Hello, my name is Emma, and today I want to tell you about my daily routine. My life is simple, but I like it very much. Every day is a new opportunity to learn, work, and enjoy life. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I do not like loud alarms, so I use soft music on my phone. When I hear the music, I open my eyes slowly. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I want to sleep for 5 more minutes, but I know I need to get up. First, I make my bed. It only takes 2 minutes. I like a clean bedroom. After that, I open the window. I love fresh air in the morning. The birds are singing, the sky is beautiful. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes it is cloudy. Every morning is different. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Next, I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I brush my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile and say, "Good morning, Emma. Today will be a good day." It is a small habit, but it makes me feel happy. After that, I go to the kitchen. I drink one big glass of water. Drinking water is important. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat 2 eggs and one piece of toast. Sometimes I eat oatmeal. Sometimes I have yogurt with bananas. I also like strawberries. My favorite drink in the morning is coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee. While I eat breakfast, I do not use my phone. I enjoy the quiet morning. Sometimes I look outside the window. Sometimes I think about my plans for the day. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. It only takes a few minutes. I like keeping my kitchen clean. Now it is time to get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. Sometimes I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Sometimes I wear a dress. It depends on the weather. If it is cold, I wear a jacket. If it is hot, I wear light clothes. Then I check my bag. I make sure I have my keys, my wallet, my phone, my water bottle. Everything is ready. Before leaving home, I always check the door. I lock it carefully. Now I am ready to start my day. I usually leave home at 7:30. I walk to the bus stop. It is only 5 minutes from my house. I like walking in the morning. The streets are quiet. Some people are walking their dogs. Some children are going to school. People are starting their day. The bus arrives at 7:40. I always try to arrive early. I do not like being late. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I enjoy looking outside. I can see many interesting things: people riding bicycles, coffee shops opening, cars on the road, beautiful trees. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts. Listening every day helps me improve my English. My bus ride is about 20 minutes. When I arrive at work, I say, "Good morning." I smile at everyone. My coworkers are very friendly. We talk for a few minutes before we start working. Someone asks, "How are you today?" I answer, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" It is a simple conversation, but it is nice. I like talking with people. At 12:30, it is lunchtime. I usually eat lunch with my coworkers. Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes we go to a small restaurant near the office. My favorite lunch is grilled chicken, rice, vegetables, and salad. I also like pasta. I always drink water with my lunch. After lunch, we talk for a few minutes. We do not talk about work. We talk about movies, music, travel, pets, and our weekend plans. Then it is time to work again. The afternoon is usually busy. I answer emails, I make phone calls, I help customers. Sometimes I have meetings. Sometimes I learn something new. Every day is a little different. At 3:30, I take a short break. I drink tea. Sometimes I eat an apple. Sometimes I eat nuts. Small breaks help me stay focused. At 5 o'clock, I finish work. I feel happy because I did my best. After work, I go home. Sometimes I stop at the supermarket. I buy fruit, vegetables, milk, bread, or eggs. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. Then I change into comfortable clothes. I like relaxing after work. Some days I go for a walk. Other days, I exercise at home. Exercise makes me feel strong and healthy. After exercising, I take a shower. A warm shower helps me relax. Then I prepare dinner. Dinner is usually simple. Sometimes I make soup. Sometimes I cook fish and vegetables. Sometimes I eat a sandwich. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I do not like leaving dirty dishes for the next day. In the evening, I like reading books. I also enjoy watching English videos. I want to improve my English every day. Before bed, I write in my journal. I write 3 good things about my day. This habit makes me feel grateful. At 10 p.m., I brush my teeth. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I close my eyes. I think about tomorrow, then I say, good night. And soon, I fall asleep. Tomorrow is another beautiful day. Before we finish today's episode, I want to say something to you. First of all, thank you for listening. I know that learning English is not always easy. Sometimes you understand everything. Sometimes you understand only a few words. And that is okay. Please do not give up. Learning a language takes time. Nobody becomes fluent in 1 week or 1 month. The most important thing is to practice a little every day. You do not need to study for many hours, even 10 or 15 minutes every day can make a big difference. Listen to English, read simple books, watch easy videos, learn a few new words every day. Little by little, you will improve. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you become better. Remember, every English speaker was once a beginner. You are learning, you are improving, and you should be proud of yourself. If you did not understand every sentence today, don't worry. You can listen again tomorrow. The second time will be easier. The third time will be even better. Repetition is one of the best ways to learn English. I hope this podcast helps you feel more confident. I hope English becomes part of your daily life. Practice a little every day. Stay curious, keep smiling, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the channel. There will be many more English stories, conversations, and listening practice for beginners. I am very happy that you are here with me. Thank you again for your time. Take care. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next Everyday English podcast. Goodbye.